This is my room. I can see the sunset if I will wake.
What's this down here?
What?
You done with that?
Just leave it there for tomorrow in the morning.
Kalat nila. Oh my God.
Where do we go?
This is my room. No,
vlogging
just
again?
just I'm vlog. And this is the dagat. Say dagat.
Dagat.
This is the dagat. Oh, we cannot see now. We
outside.
cannot see now.
The beach is
Ah,
so nice.
It's so maingay. Maingay. Oh. Oh, that's the dagat.
There's people at 3 a.m.
There. So I will walk
At 3 a.m. Right now?
Where's the people?
Over there, look. They're surfing. They're gonna go in the ocean.
Dangerous.
How are people still awake and doing stuff? 3 a.m.
Oh my God. Yan, dagat yan. Dagat.